Hi everyone, great attendance today. My name is Ruben Silva and I am the Solutions Manager at Shift Consulting. It's a pleasure to be here. Thank you very much for attending our webcast devoted to hybrid project management. To begin, just a very quick presentation of Shift. We are an international company with offices in Lisbon and Dubai. We are Microsoft certified gold partners and we developed cloud solutions for different markets. Last year, we performed more than 30 projects in 9 different countries. We take our consulting know-how and experience in different sectors and industries to develop solutions that assist and enable the activity for our clients, also helping them to achieve their business goals. We use Microsoft technology, typically existing applications of Microsoft 365, like the ones shown on screen, and we integrate them with each other in ways that optimize the response to the different market needs. So let's get to business. Let's talk about hybrid project management. Projects don't necessarily have dedicated teams, and quite often they rely on specialized teams to perform work and deliver work packages and deliverables. Let's think, for example, in IT. A project manager may need a totally IT-based deliverable. Let's imagine, for example, a development tenant. The project manager may not need to have all the detail of the WBS, work breakdown structure, of the activities needed to achieve this deliverable. Many times we are talking about very technical activities that the project manager doesn't even understand. So on the other side, the IT team manager, for him the project vision is too narrow. He has a team to manage and he wants to optimize his resource utilization, getting the maximum output from his team across a large number of projects. For him, an agile work management methodology may be the way to go. So, for sure, there is a need to create a bridge between two different mindsets, traditional project management and agile project management. With that in mind, we developed our solution, Shift to Hybrid, with the purpose of getting the best of two worlds. The project manager works in Project Online, defining his project planning, and he delivers activities to the different specialized teams, like the IT team, that work in an agile environment supported by Microsoft Planner. During all of this, the information between these two worlds is integrated between project and planning, assuring that the circle of communication between the different project managers and the teams managers are fulfilled with no need of duplicating the insertion of inputs. It's also important to underline, as you can see in the picture, that the project managers of project A, B, and C can assign some of their project activities to multiple specialized teams, so that we have an end-to-end relationship between projects and teams. This is visible in the colored arrows in this picture. One project may have activities assigned to different teams, and each team may have activities to perform from different projects. As we can see, the concept is as simple as 1, 2, 3. 1. In Project Online, the project manager identifies if the task should be managed in a team. If he does so, and we will see how in a few minutes, that task will be created automatically in Planner. 2. There, the team leader will assign resources to the task and adjust the dates. He may also report progress on the task if its execution has started. 3. In Project Online, for the specific activity, when inputs are given in Planner, like new dates or percentage complete of the task, the information will be automatically updated, giving the project manager the feedback he needs. So, enough with slides. Let's go live and see Shift to Hybrid perform.
So we are now seeing Project Online, the project manager natural environment, as we could say. And we are now entering a project. Let's see the new software development project as an example. Let's just remember that the project ID from this project is 54, because this will be useful in a few minutes, okay? So entering the project, we will see the planning of this project. And what we are going to do now, it's step 1. So the project manager will analyze his planning, and you will see the tasks that must be developed by an external team, by an expertise team. For simplicity of the example, we will show this with one task, but the number of tasks that are assigned to teams can be 100% of the project, 3% of the tasks of the project. There's a no rule. There's the functional need of the project dictates the rule here, okay? For this example, we only use one task. So I will edit the project and I will select is opening, and I will select a good task I have over here. It's just an example. I will define that the develop code has to be assigned, the develop code task has to be assigned to a team, okay? In this case, the IT team. What do I have to do this? It's very simple. We have these two columns, planner and task type, and what I have to do is I go here and I define to which team I want to assign the activity. I will do it to IT. The values that appear in this list are totally setupable. So I will do IT, okay? And now I will select the task type. In a few seconds, I will identify what is this. For now, I will select development, okay? And it is as easy as this. So I assign the developed code activity, which is planned to start at 1st of January and to finish at 16th of January, okay? This is important because we'll see this in the other side, the team leader view of things. So I will just have to publish the project to make my assignment public. It's testing over here, okay? It's published. And now I have to check in my project, okay? I will do so. It's checking in, okay? Yes, I want to check it in. And now we will see the planner side of things. Here we are. This is planner, okay? This is a Kanban board. What we have here, it's the buckets. Buckets are stages. In here we have the analysis, development, testing, deploy. So an easy process. This represents the development of the IT or the workflow from the IT team, okay, of their activities. What we can see over here when I enter a task is that I have the task name, the users, and the checklist. We can also, I have to say that because this is very important, that we are seeing this example with Microsoft Planner, but we integrate with a lot of Agile tools like Jira, Trello, and also from Microsoft, Azure DevOps. Okay, so the integration takes like a minute to kick in. I will just refresh the screen. So here we are. The activity that we assign to IT is here. Okay, integration of Shift to Hybrid automatically with an input given in Project Online created this card over here. In Planner, a card represents an activity. Okay, so for project 54, remember that I told you before that the project we were seeing, which was new software development project, will add the ID 54. So this identifies that. And the task develop code, which was a task we assigned to IT over here in project, with these dates, which match exactly with the dates we have here, was automatically created in Planner. Okay, and also because I selected development in the task type, we have this checklist of activities, of sub-activities that have to be performed in order to execute develop code. Okay, this is also totally setupable. We can have as many options in task type in Project Online as we wish, and for each one we can define this environment of checklist subtasks. Okay, so with this done, step one is done. Okay, the project manager assigned in Project Online a task to a team, okay? And now we go to step 2. The team leader will analyze the task in question, okay? You will know that he has a task to analyze because you will receive a notification by email. And we can see that this task is in the to-do list, in the to-do bucket in this case. So he will analyze this card, okay? And let's see for this example that he says that, okay, this is not going to start at the 1st of January. This will start like in, let's see, 21 of January. And it will finish, let's see, also at the 31 of January, okay? So the IT leader can now use this card and he will pass it from the to-do bucket to the analysis bucket. He can also give progress on the task. Let's say for this example that the design and the defined test case subactivities or checklist items are done, okay? So, okay, in Planner we can also do this. Say that we want to see the checklist on the cardboard or on the board, okay, and here we have it. Just important to say that in this example we have these buckets with these stages, but this is totally set upable by Planner, and Shift to Hybrid works with whatever setup you have in Planner, because what we have here, it's totally customizable. We are seeing by bucket, but we can see activities organized by the user in which the activities are assigned. We can see by due date all the stuff that Planner does. Shift to Hybrid supports because it's integrating this information with the project information, okay? So going to project and seeing the feedback of the progress we gave in project online. So entering project, okay. I will just, and we can see here that the dates have been already updated, okay. So we have the 21 of January and 31 of January, which were exactly the dates that we, or as IT managers, inserted on the card, okay. And so we gave the progress of 2 check items, okay. Important to refer that in the customization part of Shift to Hybrid, we can define a weight to each subtask, okay, or checklist item. What we have in this example is that every checklist item has the same weight. So we have 10 checklist items, and we said we give report that 2 checklist items are executed. Let's just remember that in this case, I told you that it was the IT manager who gave this progress, but it can be Sarah Davis who directly reports the progress by using Planner in this client or in the mobile client of Planner, okay? So we can have a full circle of reports from the person who executes the task to the IT manager and then to the project manager via Shift to Hybrid, okay? So because 2 checklist items are being reported as done, in project we will have 20% of execution of the task. If we go to project, let me just go here. In this view, we don't have the percentage complete field, but I know that in the task summary, we have that information. Let me just show you. We were using task 29, and here we are. The task is at 20%, okay? So we are at stage 3. The report given in Planner, okay, has been uploaded automatically into Project Online, okay? So this, in now showing you back our slide from the start, when we saw the concept, here we are, okay? So we are in the scenario in which we identified, then the task was assigned in Planner and report was given, and then the report and the progress went back to Project Online. is as simple as this, okay? Just remembering again, we saw this example with Planner, but this works in the same way with other Agile tools like Azure DevOps, Jira, or Trello, okay? So what we are doing here is getting the best of the two worlds and two different mindsets and making them work together with seamlessly integration, okay? This is all for today's webcast. If you want additional information about this solution, we have a lot of information in our site, but it's always a pleasure to talk to you. So send us an email, talk to us. We have all the pleasure to do you another demo or more detailed demo for your organization. We have our Shift email, but you also have here my email, so talk directly to me. It's a pleasure to show you this. So let's do this, let's talk, and let's see this great solution that is Shift to Hybrid, okay? So have a nice one, everyone. Thank you for attending. See you in the next one, okay? Bye.